Welcome. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the simple steps to edit your phone number on the Instagram app for PC after the latest update. Whether you need to remove an old number or add a new one, I'll guide you step by step so you can make the switch quickly and easily. First, open your Instagram app on your computer. Once you're inside, take a look at the bottom left corner and click on More. From there, select Settings to open up the main menu where all your account controls are located. Next, you'll want to click on Account Center. This is the section where all your personal details, security settings, and connected profiles are managed. Inside Accounts Center, select Personal Details, then tap on Contact Info. Here, you'll see your current phone number. If you want to remove it first, click on the number and choose the Delete option. Instagram will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete it, so go ahead and confirm that step. Now it's time to add your updated number. Go back to Contact Info, then click on Add New Contact and choose Add Phone Number. This will open a new window where you can type in your phone number. After entering your details, Instagram will ask you to enter your email and select which account the changes should apply to. Once you've chosen that, click Next. Instagram will send a confirmation code to your phone. Simply check your messages, find the code, and type it in where requested. After you enter the code, click Next again. That's it. Your phone number has been updated successfully. This process is really helpful if you've changed numbers, lost access to your old one, or just want to keep your account information fresh and up to date. With these quick steps, you'll always have the right contact info linked to your Instagram account on PC.